In this video, we will be talking about understanding the FinishLine screen. Let's run through the various icons and buttons you'll see on the FinishLine Pro app. Keep in mind that this is a quick review, and additional tutorial videos will go into greater detail on these icons and how to use them. Also, depending on your permission settings, you may or may not have access to all of these icons, as they may be grayed out. Depending on the button or icon, you may have to press and hold for a quarter second for the program to execute your command. We will start on the tablet version. In the upper left, you'll see an icon that looks like a tree. This is a navigation window. It's a popover menu that will allow you to navigate through your project. Over to the right is a filter menu bar, which looks like a funnel. Filtering allows you to set global filters based on a number of options. Next is a layout icon with 3 different viewing options in the app, depending on your preferences. To the right of that is the menu icon. This gives you a number of options: sync, reports, settings, and log off. And the arrows are the back button and the forward button. Down below on the far left is the copy button. Next to that is the hide items button. See that? You can remove the icons to have a clean plan view. This is especially helpful in a crowded area where it is difficult to punch on the plan. Hide the icons and place your item, then unhide. Next is a zoom to 100%. This allows you to zoom out to full view if you've been zoomed in on the plan view. And below that, you can easily adjust the height of the list view. If your view is set to columns, you can adjust the width of the columns. The legend button provides information for the menu items that are currently in the plan view, and the arrow icon on the far right allows you to use favorites. Here are the thumbs up and thumbs down buttons to mark an item as complete or incomplete. To the right is a copy button. The plus sign is the Add Item icon. And then, on the far right, is the Data Grid column configuration, which allows you to modify the column settings. There are a few more icons in the Add or Edit Item form, so let's quickly run through those. In the upper left is the back arrow. The icon in the bottom left is the camera button. Press that to take a photo. And there are the thumbs up and thumbs down icons. To the right of that is the Add Favorites icon and the Delete icon, which looks like a trash can. And finally, the icon in the right corner is the Save button. And there you have it. Now to the smartphone version. All of the same buttons and icons which are found in the tablet version exist in the smartphone version, but they have been relocated in some cases because of the smaller screen. The Navigate button is in the upper left to move throughout your projects. In the upper right corner is the menu button for Sync, Reports, Settings, and Log Off. Down below is the Copy button, the Hide Items icon, Zoom to 100%, the Legend icon, and the Cursor/Favorites icon. The icon in the bottom left is unique to the smartphone version as it is the Toggle to List View icon. Then you have the back button and the forward button, and then finally the filter icon, which brings up a number of options. Keep in mind that this was a quick overview of what button controls what feature, so be sure to check out additional tutorial videos to learn more about these icons and how to use their features in greater detail.